Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. I promise you guys that I'm no longer sick. Like, even though I look sick, I've completely recovered. Okay, maybe I'm not completely like 100% recovered because like my voice still sounds kind of weird. It still kind of sounds weird, but I'm tired of looking like this. I'm tired of looking sick. I'm tired of looking like I just recovered, you know. So today I'm going to be fixing that. I'm going to be doing my hair. The style that I'm going to be doing today is a style that I've not done in a while. I don't think I did it last year. Did I do that last year? I can't remember. I'm going to be doing multiple layered cornrows. So if you guys like to see how I go from drab to fabulous, then definitely keep on watching. So my hair is actually clean and freshly washed. I washed my hair yesterday and I put it in braids just to stretch it out a little bit. So my hair is in 6 braids right now. So I'm just going to go, because I'm going to be doing layers, I have like 1 layer of braids at the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and just leave the remaining braids intact, and I'm only going to be removing this first layer of braids at the back here. My hair is still kind of damp, like it's not fully dry yet, and I think I like that because I don't know, I've said this before on my channel. When I'm doing cornrows, I prefer to have my hair kind of wet, like not wet but like kind of damp, just because it's easier for me to part my hair and detangle and do all those kind of things when my hair is in that state, as opposed to when my hair is dry. So that's why I did not wait for my hair to get fully dry before doing this. The picture I have in my head, I think I've done it before on my channel. Like, I have a very nice picture in my head. I know that this is going to come out really nice. I'm done unraveling all the braids. So now I'm just going to go ahead and bring out the layer of the first layer that I want to do. You guys keep asking me how I part my hair, so let me try to see if I can show you guys today. So when I want to part my hair with a rat tail comb, I kind of start with my fingers. So I first gently just, you know, part with my fingers, and then I use the rat tail comb to clean it off, like to make it like neater. I find this to be easier, like this to be an easier method than just going straight with my rat tail comb. Also, the fact that my hair is like kind of damp, like kind of wet, just makes it easier for me. After parting like with my fingers, I then go ahead to use my like rat tail comb to just make it neater. You want to be doing this gently, like little by little, like, and that's why most times when I do my hair, I don't use a comb to part my hair, because it takes a while, like it takes a lot of time. Using fingers is just like the easier option. But sometimes, occasionally, like if I really want the parting to be neat, I'll go ahead and use a rat tail comb, but it actually takes time, especially if you are doing the back where you cannot see. So I just let my fingers guide me. I can tell that this is not, I'm not like doing it really nice. Like I can feel that the parting is not so neat, but this part is actually irrelevant. I'm just doing this just to show you guys how I do it basically. But normally, even if I want to part with the rat tail comb, I don't part the back. I wait till I get to the front, because I'm doing layers, that part will get covered anyway, so it doesn't matter whether the pattern is neat or not. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just show you guys. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, because I can tell that my hair is just covering everything. So you basically just dig your comb into your hair and then just try to follow, like remove your hair like from the parting and like after removing your comb, and just anyway, I hope you understand. So this is what it looks like now, because this one, like if I'm bringing out the individual layer, because it's really short, I don't need to go in with my fingers first, because like it's something short, so I can just go straight to using a rat tail comb. Parting is what takes the most of my time. I just go ahead and take some shea butter to twirl the ends just to help it coil. Not necessarily coil, but like just help it to stay blunt. So this is what I mean. So I'm done doing 2 layers at the back. So now I brought out the sections that I want to use for my bangs. So I brought this out like this. I made a pattern like this. So this is what I'm going to use as my bangs. Then these 2 sections I think will come down like this. Let me see, like this, and bangs. I think this is how this will come this way, then this will form the bangs. Then to this section at the back, I think I'll make it's too big for 1 layer, so I think I'll divide this into 2 layers. Now my autofocusing is just it's just out of this place, like it's just weird. Every time I try to show you guys my back, like it just starts focusing on that tree over there instead of focusing on my hair, you know. So I'm not recording, I'm not filming with a laptop, so normally I should have a laptop that will help me to always put myself in focus, but I'm not filming with that. So filming the back of my head has been a big challenge. So in case you guys are seeing that I'm going in and out of focus, like especially when I'm doing the back or when I'm showing you guys the back, that is why. Please bear with me. Hopefully very soon I should get a new laptop so that I'll be able to like make sure that when I'm showing the back of my head I'm not out of focus. So because of that, I'm going to try to show you guys my hair in such a way that my face is always showing. That's just help it to focus on me instead of that tree over there. Okay, so I think I'm just going to quickly go now and do this back section, make these 2 sections, and then I'll come back to you guys what I'll be doing for the front here.